Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 Aprilia Tuareg 660. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 Aprilia Tuareg 660 with 10,235 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and a quick shifter, and has been upgraded with an aftermarket windscreen, engine guards, driving lights, aftermarket handguards, and a skid plate. Powered by a 659cc parallel twin engine, the Tuareg puts 79 horsepower and 51 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.7-gallon fuel tank, the Tuareg has a 240 to 300 mile range. It has the 33.9-inch seat height and a 450-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 630 seconds, and the rear at 1030 seconds. We did not take this bike for a test ride, but our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the skid plate, and a paint blemish on the engine guard. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and we also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.